No street food is complete without the perfect Manong sauce. This is an affordable recipe you can use for negosyo or personal use. In a saucepan, combine water, sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, flour, and cornstarch. Mix well until fully dissolved. Place the saucepan over medium to high heat. Continuously stir until the mixture starts to simmer. Once simmering, add the minced garlic and onion, then turn the heat to low. Add the seasoning granules and black pepper powder. Stir well to combine. Let the sauce continue cooking on low heat. Add 1 piece labuyo if you want a spicy sauce. Total cooking time 12 to 15 minutes. Remove from the heat and let it cool. Once it cools, transfer into a squeeze bottle. This recipe uses basic ingredients, but without exact measurements, the taste won't be consistent. This Manong sauce recipe complements almost all tusok street foods. If you want to make bigger batch, you can simply double the ingredients. Properly costing your sauce and controlling the serving size of free sauce helps you manage costs, avoid losses, and set the right selling price for better profit. Did you know that based on this recipe, 30 grams of Manong sauce already costs around 2.69 to 3 pesos? So if you're not tracking your sauce usage, you might think you're earning, but in reality, you're losing from uncontrolled consumption. This Manong sauce recipe yields approximately 525 grams. And that's your Manong sauce recipe, simple, affordable, and negosyo ready. Save this and subscribe for more food business ideas. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next Pang Negosyo video.